Liquid-Plumr, Liquid Drano, Green Gobbler. People think these are some magical chemicals that you just pour in and your clog is all gone. But what happens when they don't work? Not only do you still have a clog, now you have liquid drain cleaner sitting inside your plumbing also. And the plumber's going to come out, and the first thing he's going to tell you is the bill is going to be $400. Let me tell you why. First, he's going to say he's going to have to neutralize it. Then he's going to have to extract it from your system before he can even begin unclogging it. In this video, I'm going to save you some money by showing you these steps myself. Get your shop vac ready and meet me at the sink. Before we go any further, I'm going to make sure that you're safe. A word of caution: whenever you deal with liquid Drano or any type of drain cleaner, put on some goggles to protect your eyes, and put on some gloves to protect your skin and hands from spills and splashes. Open up a window for ventilation. I didn't come here to lecture you guys, but I can't help myself sometimes. This here is a clear P-trap. This is where your liquid Drano is going to be sitting when you pour it down one of your kitchen sinks and drains. It's going to sit right here in this P-trap, and if it doesn't drain out of your system, this is where a plumber has the problem at. What we're going to do is we're going to use it's heavy. I got a 5-gallon shop vac here. You don't need one as big as this, but I find a lot of purposes for it around the house. I'm always using my shop vac. I took and put a clear hose on the end for you can kind of see it in real time. The liquid Drano is inside of the P-trap here, and from up top there, we're going to try to drain out all of the Drano that's inside of this. And inside of our shop vac, we have plenty of cool water. The more you dilute the liquid Drano, the more you neutralize it. Here is my 5-gallon shop vac. Isn't she a beauty, folks? I use it for everything around the house. You're not going to need one as big as this. I made it clear. I put a piece of tubing on the end of it so you can see it in real time. I'm going to put this over top of the drain hole and see if I can suck as much as the liquid Drano that's down in the system and put it safely inside of the shop vac. Now here is where the trick comes in at. We're going to take a rag and then put it around our shop vac to try to make a seal between the drain and the P-trap down below. And since we have a double kitchen sink, we're going to take a towel and stuff it inside of. I have a double kitchen sink with garbage disposal. So I have to use a towel on this side because the hole is much bigger than the other one. So I stuff this side with a towel, and this side here is going to get the rag trick. I want to create pressure and clog up both sides. And then that way I'm just sucking directly into our line in our system below. We're going to go below, and to prove my point, we're going to take apart the P-trap now and see if there's any water left inside. Turn these two screws here. These are two compressing fittings here and here. This is our P-trap, this U-shape, this P-shape, U-shape pipe here. Yours might be a little bit, looks different than mine's, but the concept is still the same. We turn them counterclockwise, and you should be able to turn them by hand, slowly and evenly. And if you're an older gentleman, just take your time and get down here. Use your cane or walker or whatever you have to do, or get a nephew to come by or someone to help you, and you just guide them with my instructions. I also have a PDF down in the descriptions that walks you through step by step how to safely unclog your kitchen sink. You can download that, support the channel. That link will be in the description. Slowly take it off and we'll see. We got just about everything out. It's a little bit of stuff in there, but this is what you're trying to clean out. There wasn't much liquid Drano in there. If there was any, there wasn't much. You could have applied more pressure up top and made sure you got everything out of it. But that's the concept about neutralizing. Boy, that water stinks. That's the concept about neutralizing the liquid Drano. You can use a shop vac in order to get it out. We're going to clean this out, put our system back together. Look, that shop vac was so powerful, it was pulling everything out. It pulled out all this out of the P-trap. I think the shop vac is such a wonderful tool. That's almost pulled everything out by itself. All that pressure I was able to, by clogging up that one side, clogging up both sides, I created so much pressure that I was going to pull everything out of this system. Hey guys, get yourself a shop vac. And I doubt if you're ever going to have a kitchen clog ever again. And if you do, I'm never going to stop doing this. I'm going to keep finding innovative ways to help you guys unclog your sinks. I'm just going to keep on going. I enjoy it. I love your comments, your love, and your guys' support. I really feel like we're such a family. On YouTube, it doesn't matter how tall, small, what color you are. Everybody shows love. And one thing I like is when people are up 2 o'clock. I don't like it, but some people are up 2 o'clock in the morning fighting a clog, and they run across one of your videos and say, brother, you just don't know how much you helped me to save money. Times are hard, and we ran across one of your videos. I just want to thank you so much, and you're such a great guy and all of that. And these people don't know me, and they inspire me to be a great guy, because people that don't even know you are telling you something that's about you that you should aspire to be. I think that's the right word. Okay, enough of me rambling, bambling, and going on and on.